Alright, here you can see my recording setup. I'm using Hypercam 2, just like any normal person. You see I have my screen resolution set up there. That all seems to be alright, so I can start recording. Open up Cyberpunk. Resolution seems to be fine. I'm going to turn ray tracing down a smidge to have a better recording performance, but put anti-aliasing up. The sound seems fine, so I can close and run the game. And it starts. All the usual intro stuff, you know how it is. Just loading up, waiting. Yeah, it's loading. And the intro stuff. Just gotta press spacebar and there we go. That's the main menu. More loading. That's kind of a load heavy game, isn't it? Still loading. Always loading. And there we have it. We're in the game. It's recording. And that's how it works.